Okay, we have two problems here. We want to focus on this one first, and we want to simplify both of these. Those are basically the instructions. So m minus 1 can't be simplified any further, so let's see if we can factor the denominator. See if something will cancel out. So it's a trinomial, 1, 2, 3, and what separates the trinomial is addition and subtraction. So I know m times m will give me the first term. But then I need factors of 8 that add to be 9. Factors of 8 that add to be 9. So if I multiply 1 times 8, they could add to be 9. So let's put a 1 and an 8 here. And then the middle term, so the two that multiply together, they give you a positive, but then they add to give you a negative, so both of them have to be negative. Well, as it turns out, what happens is you have an m minus 1 in the numerator and m minus 1 in the denominator. So those m minus 1's cancel each other out. You're left with a 1 in the numerator and an m minus 8 in the denominator. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's attack another simplification problem. And let's go to the numerator and then go to the denominator. So can we factor the numerator in any way? Well, sure we can. We can factor a 5 from each term here. So if I take a 5 from the first term, n is left, minus, and then take a 5 from 5, that's 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. And then in your denominator you have a trinomial. The leading term is 1, so we're just going to say n times n will give you n squared. And we need products of 9 that'll add to 10. Well, they both have to be the same sign. We know both of them are going to be negative, so it's going to be 9 and 1. So what do we end up with when we get to this point? Well, n minus 1 will cancel with n minus 1, so it leaves you with a 5 in the numerator and an n minus 9 in the denominator. Of course, times 1 is itself. And there you have it.